Good day to you, gentlemen. I hope all is well with you. Thanks for taking some time to stop by. If you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, and become a part of the Rich Boy family. For the rest of you brothers, hit that thumbs up button for me. Well, summer is just around the corner, and during the warmer summer months, casual summer outfits become paramount for men looking to balance style and comfort. The essence of the casual sharp outfit lies in their ability to offer relaxed aesthetics while utilizing breathable fabrics that keep the body cool. So I put together some of my top picks for men's summer attire, keeping you stylish, keeping you cool. Let's go. Come, baby. Don't be. Don't be. Don't be. Don't be. Brothers, I'll catch you on the next video. Until then,